coders out there. This is Angie the Coder, and today I'm coming to you to talk to you about a subject that I was hoping I wasn't going to have to talk to you about. This is a video that I have been procrastinating on making, and I've put it off. I started this video way back in February sometime, and started it and stopped it several times because honestly I just didn't want to do it, and I was hoping that this problem would go away, but you can't just bury your head in the sand. Sometimes you have to take your head out of the sand and you have to face the facts that you need to be prepared instead of avoiding dealing with a topic. So the topic that I have been avoiding dealing with is talking about the coronavirus coding. I'm not here to do any fear mongering or anything like that. I am only here to tell you how we need to report this stuff. I hope we don't have to use this very much. I really do. Without further ado, let's discuss how do we report the coronavirus. So let's just start with the official sources. There are two really good documents out there, and one of them is from the CDC, and it tells us how to report the ICD-10 codes for the coronavirus. This is I'm going to put the links to this article and the other article I'm going to discuss in the description below. But this is a very good, thorough article that covers all kind of things that you might see with patients that are positive for the coronavirus, like bronchitis, pneumonia, lower respiratory infections, ARDS, and it goes on, right? And they tell you how to report that. Now, I've taken this information and I've put it in a really quick and dirty cheat sheet that I'm going to share with you in a minute, and that is going to be available to you free on my website. All you have to do is go out there to my downloads and download it for free, and I'll show you, where you can do that. But basically, this article goes through, what the guidance is. Like if the patient has pneumonia and the provider has confirmed that it is due to the 2019 coronavirus, then these are the codes you use. Like I said, this is out on CDC's website. I'm going to put the exact link in the description below. So let's move on to the other article, which came from CMS. Okay, so the CMS developed two codes. The first one they came out with was U0001. That HCPCS code is supposed to be used by the CDC, not physician offices, not labs. It's a CDC code, so we don't need to worry about that one. But the second one, what they're calling their additional code, is U0002. That is the code that you guys would use to report if your provider or your lab was billing for the coronavirus test. So that's the code you would use. Now, this U0002 HCPCS code, it will go into effect April 1st, 2020 is when the Medicare will start being able to process this particular HCPCS code, but it is for dates of service that are on or after February 4th. So if you've been doing this lab, then you can go back to dates of service February 4th and on and bill them, but you can't bill them until April 1st because they're not able to accept the codes until April 1st. So there's that. So that's pretty much it. I created a cheat sheet. Let's see if I can pull it up for this. It's got ICD-10 codes and it's got the HCPCS code that you use because you will not be using the U0001. It also has the effective date information on it for the HCPCS code. And what I basically did was I just took what was on the CDC and the CMS sheets that I just showed you, and I boiled it down to a little, cheat sheet. It doesn't have every single thing from the article on there. So go back to your articles and print them up, read them, keep them, But this is just like the quick and dirty version of it. So for those of you that like cheat sheets, this cheat sheet is available for free on my website, which is angiethecoder.com. And so all you have to do is go out to my website. And where did it go? There it is. And go to my downloads. The home page looks like this. Let's So when you go to angiethecoder.com, it looks like this. But if you look down here, you'll see that there's a downloads page. And if you look in here in the archives, I already have an ICD-10 coronavirus cheat sheet out there. Don't worry, that's going away. That one will be replaced with this one that I just showed you, because that one is the one I started back in February, and I kept it super brief. Like, I only listed a few diagnosis codes, and I didn't have the HCPCS codes on there because they had not come out yet when I was working on it. So now you'll have actually a bunch of ICD-10 codes and the HCPCS codes on there, plus the effective date information for you, and it's all on there for free. All you have to do to get it is click on it, and then it's a free purchase, so you just click the free purchase button and hit the checkout button, and then another window will pop up. And in this window, if you notice, it says in your little cart that it's free. You don't have to pay anything. I don't need your credit card number. I don't want anything from you except your email address, your first name, and your last name. And you can put fake names in there if you want to, but if you give me a fake email address, I can't actually send you the link. So what will happen is you'll receive an email from angiethecoder.com, and it's going to have the link to a PDF file that has the PDF file for this cheat sheet. And all you have to do then is put your information and hit free download, and it will come to your email, and then you just click on the link and it will take you to the free PDF file. So that's all there is to that. If you go to the download, you'll also see, like I said, this one right here, the ICD-10 coronavirus is going to be replaced with the more updated version that I just showed you. And we also have out there already an ICD-10 cheat sheet for hypertension with CHF. I'm probably going to create a much more extensive cheat sheet that'll be, basically covering a lot of the hypertensives, the hypertensive heart, the hypertensive kidney, the hypertensive heart and kidney. So I'm going to try to create a more robust even version of this and put it out there for free. I don't know about you, but I like free stuff because I have to pay for all my coding stuff. I pay for my coding books, my coding software, my CEUs, if I go to, anything that I do related to coding, I'm an independent contractor, so I pay for that myself. So I'm all about the free. So I try to create free stuff for other people. I like to share that way. I can't promise you that I'm going to be putting something free out there every Friday, but eventually that's the plan, is that on Fridays will be when I post free stuff. And like I said, it probably won't be every single Friday, but I'd like to drop them on Fridays so that you guys kind of get used to when they'll be in there. So anyway, and it sounds fun to say it's Freebie Friday or Free Tool Friday. It won't just be cheat sheets. I'm looking to do like little templates and other tools as well, but I'm starting with cheat sheets because cheat sheets are pretty easy, and everybody a lot of people like them. So that's that. And I want to thank all you guys that are subscribed to the channel and all you guys that watch my videos. I really appreciate all of you. I really do. And I hope you will, if you're not subscribed, that you will. Thank you for coming and welcome. And please give me a thumbs up if you liked this video and what I'm doing. And if you have comments, please leave them in the comment section below so that we can talk and we can get to know each other. And also, all the links for this that I've discussed in this video will be posted below. So if you want any of this information, it's all just a click away. Anyway, you guys have a fantastic week, and I hope you don't have to use these codes too much, and I hope that, spring comes and sunshine comes out and this horrible COVID-19 virus dies and we can start talking about something more positive.